Hey guys, so this is how you can collect emails in your Wix website. So first things first is of course you have to choose the Wix website that you want to add a mailing list template to. And then once you're here in the Wix website editor, just head over to this left side panel and then click on add element. Now from here, just click on contact and forms. And then let's head over to this pre-made forms section and then click on subscribe. Now from the subscribe forms, you can choose whichever template that you want depending on the vibe of your website. And then once you have chosen, you can just drag and drop this to your page. And then once it's there, you can choose to edit this form or you can adjust the settings, the layout, and the design of this form. But for me, I'm just going to leave it like that and then hit on publish to save it and view my site. So after that, I'm going to just view my site right here and then I'm just going to test it out. So right here, I'm just going to say someone at gmail.com. Now I'm just going to check this. I want to subscribe to your mailing list and then hit on subscribe. Now, if you want to see whoever interacted with this join our mailing list template, you can just head over to your Wix site home. And then from here, just click on customers and leads and then click on forms and submissions. Now let's just wait for this to load. And as you can see here, we can see everyone who had responded to our mailing list. That is how you collect a contact or contacts on your Wix website.